guys, good morning, and now it's currently 10:30 and I just arrived at school. The French practicals lecture got cancelled today because the teacher got sick, and yeah, this is my uni. A lot of people says it's really beautiful, and I agree. It's a really cool building and it's very different from other universities. It's very different from Oslo University for sure. And the plans for today is have 2 more lectures, and now I'm gonna go to the library, write on my paper a little bit. I'm gonna write more on a different paper with my group. We're meeting at 3 after class, so that's really good. Hopefully we'll get a lot done because they said that they were gonna go back to Germany. Well, both of them are from Germany, and yeah, they said that they were gonna travel during the buffer week and stuff. So then I told them we have to finish before that so that we have time to study for the exam and everything. The exam is right after the vacation, so first we have a buffer week where it's like a week of well, lectures that we need to, like, if the teacher was sick, it's like a buffer for the oh my god, the lessons that we didn't have. So yeah, and a lot of the times we didn't have anything on there, so then we just have free, and then we have 1 week of vacation which is supposed to be used for studying, and then we have exams, and then the second trimester starts, and that week I have a presentation. But today the plan is, well, you guys already know, I already told you guys. So yeah, that's the update. So now I'm currently in the library. As you guys can see, I'm just yeah, looking at my well, I'm writing a part of my paper right now and just chilling as well. This chair is really comfortable. So now I'm on my way to class. This is my uni. I'm just gonna take the elevator. So yeah, this is what a typical classroom looks like, and yeah, the lighting here is always really good, so I always try to vlog in a classroom with like a really big window and stuff, so you guys can well, the lighting is a lot better. I woke up with this. I think it's a mosquito bite. So annoying. We have a lot of mosquitoes because I live really close to the water. The class starts in 10 minutes or so, so I thought that I could vlog a little bit. And yeah, so what I've been up to, I just been in the library the whole time. I met my friend Katie there. She's from the US, and also Christine, she's from Bulgaria. That was really nice. I didn't really have time to, well, we didn't talk that much because we all have a lot to do, so we just said hi and then worked on our papers and stuff. And yeah, so my study is European Studies, and I'm doing the 3-year program. That means that I have 1 year less than, well, the 4-year program. For example, they have classes that we don't have as well. So, and also I'm having like the classes a few trimesters, like 1 trimester before them. So for example, this term I don't have advanced research skills because I already had it last year, and that is basically that you have to conduct a research about a topic, and then you go hand out surveys, and then you base your research on that. And yeah, it's really interesting. Today I'm just wearing this Tommy Hilfiger shirt. I didn't really have time to think of what to wear today because I was late, and then the lecture got cancelled, which was like random. And yeah, well, I was happy because then I had time to write on my paper and stuff. But yeah, and this is what the view looks like on the outside. So this is what the view looks like on the outside. It's not really interesting. Maybe you guys think it's interesting. So what's great is that it's pretty sunny outside right now, and yeah, my hair was a mess today. I don't know, I didn't have time to spray it with anything. I usually put a little bit of texturizing spray in my hair so that it gets a little bit, first of all, volume, and a little bit more like structured sometimes. But today I didn't have time for that. But anyways, now I'm gonna head to class, and I'll see you guys in 1 second and update you guys on what's going on about my day. So now I'm done for today, and this looks really terrible, but hopefully it's gonna go away. And I got this scarf. It says clean, so supporter of cleaning. So we just had a presentation of Nederland's Own, and they gave us like scarves. Well, I took a scarf because they were giving it away for free, and I always love freebies. It's cute. It's like blue. It looks like a football supporter type of scarf, and well, I like free stuff, so I took it. And they also gave it to a few other students as well. And yeah, now I'm currently on my way home, sitting in the train. There is nobody here except for my friend who's sitting over there. And yeah, we're just talking about school stuff. And yeah, we had to wait for 2 hours for this guest lecture today, but it was interesting, so it went fine. Luckily we could wait with each other, so it wasn't all by myself. Tomorrow I'm gonna edit a video for the project. Soon we're finally done with that one that you guys have heard about like a million times on my vlogs, and that's what's going on now. So yeah, now I'm on my way home. For dinner I'm probably gonna make some I don't know, rice with chicken maybe, and some sauce. That's what I really like. And it's, what day is it? It's Wednesday, yeah, 3rd of October. And it's currently 17:30. Yeah. So this is really typical Dutch, all of these bikes. That's nice. So thank you so much for watching this vlog. That was it today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.